Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach how to subtract easily. First, take nearest round number of this number is 10. 10. Trick 1. Tricks. 10 is nearest round number of 8. First, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Write 9. Then second, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 37 minus 8 is equal to 29. Second question, take nearest round number of 4 is 10. 1.1. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay? 9. Then second point, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay? Then take nearest round number of 6 is 10. 10 minus 0.1. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Then 0.2. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. 40 minus 6 is equal to 34. Then question number 4. Take nearest round number is 10. 0.1. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 0.2. Second point. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. The answer is 67. 72 minus 5 is equal to 67. Then next question. Take nearest round number is 10. Take nearest round number of this. 10 is the nearest round number of 9. 0.1. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Write 9. Then, second point. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0, 9 or only 9. Last question. Take nearest round number of 8 is 10. 0.1. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. First, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Then 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Write 6. Then second point. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Thank you.